Hey guys, we're gonna work on that book idea, how to get it started, how you put your books together. A little tip though, I just got done scanning all of my pages to the Everyday Chaos book so that it can finally go on, and it was kind of a process this time because my pages didn't exactly fit my VuePoint scanner. This is good for like small projects. I just want to tell you real quick, like if you're scanning pictures to get it onto your computer, maybe that would work perfectly for it, but for your books, no, don't do it. I did it because I needed to do it quickly, and so I bought like the cheapest one. And what's cool, it's cool that you can do like a wand with it until you go do that. And what I found was that it was
because it's tedious.
Anyway, so I had to like figure out how to just scan it and then stop real slow and then don't go over, because then you see everything else. I don't know. It was dumb. It was annoying. And hopefully it looks good enough. Otherwise, I may have to resort to taking a picture in the sunlight for a minute, because the one that I want is kind of expensive. Anyway, back to the book thing. It is as simple as and chaotic as this journal. I have a lot more in here, but the start of it is here, and I will show you that process real quick. I gotta flip the camera over and then we'll put it together here. It is sloppy, and then I'll show you a cleaner version of it. Okay, and by the way, any of the music you hear in the background is played by the radio. I do not own any of the rights to the songs, okay? So, here's my book idea. Journal. This is the start of it. This is actually, I'll show you how I got the mouse book put together. Hopefully this light is not so bright. Okay. So, I put it out in squares, basically, okay? So we got our cover up here. I decided to just scribble out, like I said in the other video, scribble. Scribbling is our friend here, okay? Because it saves time. So we can just jot out our ideas and then we can put them together. So I based them out on I kind of cut it up like this and then cut it down the middle. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those represent your pages, okay? So I did for the book cover, that's number 1, and then you got your scene for number 2. Those are your pages, okay? And I did kind of scribble words. Sometimes I go back and I'll change words, add words, make it longer, make it shorter. It depends on the book you're trying to get out there, okay? So I did that for every single page, just the idea of how I wanted the pages to look. And that is how you come up with the end pieces over here. So the cover, and then you got your introduction page, and then your first page, okay? You got your second page over here. And you can certainly decide to put your book long ways, horizontal, or, vertical. Yeah, okay, so let's show you, where's my paper at? Oh, there it is. All right, let me move that out of the way. And a pencil. Okay. I'll do it in a bigger version for you. All right, so now we got page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6. All right, and you're gonna draw your little characters out. This is where it gets fun, because you can draw whatever characters you want. You can, here we'll just draw like a little elephant. Just for the sake of showing you. scribbling. Okay? The lighting kind of sucks in here. Sorry, guys. So we got our little elephant going. All right. That is how we make books. Then you put them all together, scan them, hopefully with a better scanner, and yeah. Have fun, guys. Get creating.